Welcome to my YouTube channel JK Mathematics Classes. Today I will discuss Class 10 Maths Chapter 2 Polynomials Introduction Part 1. So let's start. Polynomials. Polynomials. An algebraic expression is of the form P of x equals to an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a1x plus a naught or a0. So here a0 is a constant term. A0 is a constant term. So where a0 or a naught, a1, a2 to the power to an are real numbers, and n not equal to 0. N not equal to 0. An algebraic expression with more than one term, is called a polynomial. Polynomials. So it has no negative exponent, that is whole number. There is no negative exponents for any variable of the term. Degree of polynomials degree of polynomial the highest powers of variable, the highest power of variable x in P of x is called the degree is called the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. For example, x to the power x cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 1 has degree 3 as the highest powers of variable x, highest power of variable x is 3. Again, next, types of polynomial. Types of polynomial. Types of polynomials. So degree of polynomials and these polynomials. Types of polynomial. So polynomial has two types. One, based on degree of polynomials, based of degree on degree of polynomials. A number. So linear polynomial. Linear means 1 degree polynomial. Linear polynomial. So linear means 1 degree polynomial. 1 degree polynomial. 1 degree polynomial is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. It has only 1 0. It has only 1 0. Its standard form is ax plus b, where a not equal to 0 and a and b are any real number. So here a not equal to 0. For example, 2x plus 3, 2y minus 1, 3x plus 3, 2, etc. are linear polynomial. So next, B number, quadratic polynomial. Quad means 2. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomials and quadratic polynomials. So 2 degree polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Is called quadratic polynomial. It has n degree polynomial has n zeros. So degree equal to number of zeros. So it has exactly at most two zeros. At most two zeros. Is its standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, where n not equal to 0. For example, 4x square minus 3x plus 2. Again, cubic polynomial. Cubic means 3 degree polynomial. Cubic polynomials. So cubic means 3 degree polynomial. So 3 degree polynomial is called cubic polynomial. So it has 3 zeros. Its standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where n not equal to 0. The next, based on number of terms. Next, discuss based on number of terms. So here two number based on number of terms. Based on number of terms. So linear polynomial. Linear means only one term. Linear means only one term and its standard form. So for example, two x square minus 5y, etc. This is linear polynomial. Okay, next, binomial. Monomial. So only one terms. And binomial, bi means two, mono means one. So binomial based on number of terms. So monomial only one terms, binomial means only two terms. So for example, 4x square plus 3x So x plus 1, etc. All are binomial. Again, next, trinomial. Tri means 3. Trinomial. Only 3 terms. Only 3 terms. For example, 3x square plus 5x plus 1 and minus x square plus 2x plus 3, etc. All are trinomial. So monomial means only 1 terms, binomial means 2 terms, and trinomials means 3 terms. Again, zero of polynomial. Again discussed. Zero of polynomial. Zero of polynomial. Zero means whose values of the variable gives the polynomials 0. Gives the values of polynomial 0. So which values of variable gives the polynomial value 0? A real number, suppose a real number, collection of rational, irrational. Suppose a real number, suppose A is a 0 of P of x if P of A equals to 0. That means remainder 0. That is x minus A is a factor of P of x. Factor x. For example, if P of minus 2 equals to 0, then x plus 2 is a factor of P of x. Again, next topic, relation between zeros and coefficient. Relation between zeros and coefficient. Zeros and coefficient. First, linear polynomial. Zeros of linear polynomial. So zeros of linear polynomial. Zeros of linear polynomial. Zeros of linear polynomial. If k is a 0 of P of x equals to suppose ax plus b and a not equal to 0, then P of k, x replacing by k, suppose k is a 0 of P of x, then x replacing by k, so P of k equal to ak plus b equals to 0. That is P of x, then P of k equal to 0. Here ak plus b equals to 0 implies, so ak equal to minus b, so k equal to minus b by a is the 0 of p of 0 of the linear 0 of p of x, means ax plus b. In relation between zeros and coefficients, so here again next, zeros of quadratic polynomial, zeros of quadratic polynomial if alpha and beta are the zeros of p of x, zeros of p of x, zeros of quadratic polynomial, p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0, then sum of the zeros, so alpha plus beta, that means sum of its zeros equals to alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. So here b means coefficient of x, so we write minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x of x square. Quadratic polynomial p of x with zeros alpha and beta, can be represented as p of x equals to k into, k is any constant, so x square minus sum of zeros, means alpha plus beta, into x plus alpha beta, where k is a constant. Again next, p of x equal to k into x minus alpha into x minus beta, so where k is any constant. Today class is finished.